Made in Italy since 1962, driving the industry into the future. CMT proudly presents our premium saw blade line, blending unrivaled precision, durability, and cutting-edge technology for an exceptional woodworking experience. The CMT ITK Xtreme saw blade range boasts incredible innovative features. First, chrome-coated plates enhance rust resistance and lower power consumption. Second, the CMT Xtreme balancing technology ensures precise dynamic balancing. Lastly, precision laser-cut slots are filled with sound-dampening material, cutting noise by 25% compared to the industry standard. The Dado Pro saw blade with its patented orange shield coating provides enhanced durability, delivers flawless dado cuts, and reduces corrosion, rust, and drag. Unique tooth design ensures efficient chip removal and low body, as guarantee exceptional performance even in thick materials. Non-stick orange PTFE coating fights off heat buildup, rust, and corrosion, and the patented design featuring reduced body mass minimizes heat, enhances cutting efficiency, and is easy on battery life throughout the cut. We crafted this CMT Demolition saw blade to stand up to the toughest and most challenging cutting scenarios. 380 nails cut, only one tooth lost, and it's still going strong. Explore CMT's cutting-edge saw blade tech. Find out more on www.cmtorangetools.com.